Hello, and welcome to the Butler Collegian Newscast. I'm Mae Van Etten. BESA will be hosting their annual Polar Plunge event on this Saturday, January 28th. This event is hosted yearly to raise money for Special Olympics Indiana. Students involved will take the plunge in a pool outside in the cold winter weather outside the Health and Recreation Complex. Fundraising is done through individual participants. To learn more, follow at BESO_BU on Instagram. Are you looking to elevate your LinkedIn presence? If so, the Career and Professional Services Office is hosting a LinkedIn workshop on Friday, February 3rd. This workshop will help students build their profiles while also connecting with other professionals in their field. Join the CAPS office and some Butler alumni on February 3rd at 2 p.m. in Atherton Room 326. You can register for this event on Handshake. Clues Memorial Hall recently made a top 120 list of theaters worldwide for gross ticket revenue. Multimedia reporter Eva Hallman checks in on the auditorium to see what progress they've been making over the past couple of years to make this list.
Butler University's Clues Memorial Hall has again been ranked in the top 120 theaters in gross ticket revenue sales.
Clues Memorial Hall ranked 117th worldwide with more than $3.2 million in gross ticket revenue. The rankings were recently released by Polestar, a company that provides data for the worldwide concert industry. Butler Arts and Events Center Director Aaron Hurt shares his thoughts on the honor and what students can expect this semester.
It's always great to be showing yourself up against national competition, especially when it looks good, right? And so for us, we hadn't been ranked prior to 4 years ago, ever. And so now our whole mantra has been we want to put Clues back on the map. Clues was one of the original main venues for the city back in the 60s when it opened. And so we're trying to get back to that again. And we do a lot of major comedians here. So upcoming Joe Coy, Fortune Feimster, just off the top of my head, a couple that are announced and out there right now. We have quite a few more that we're still holding back, haven't announced yet. So yeah, there's lots coming that's kind of varying interest across the board here.
If you are interested in seeing a show at Clues, check out butlerartscenter.org for the full lineup of events and ticket information. For the Butler Collegian, I'm Eva Hallman.
That's all for this week's Butler Collegian Newscast. To stay up to date with all things news on Butler's campus, visit us online at thebutlercollegian.com or on Twitter at Butler Collegian. For the Butler Collegian, I'm Mae Van Etten. Have a great week, dogs.